Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove background in Photopea. Let's get started. First of all, open your photo. I already opened this photo. Then secondly, right click, press W on your keyboard, shortcut key, and click magic wand tool. Okay. Click the selection multiple and select. Okay. Go to select inverse and refine its back, no back. Okay, and see this. Click this smoothly. Minus point, plus minus or circle size. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.